rectifying the following errors. The first one being purchase of furniture for rupees 12,000 was passed through purchases account. Now students, when we are purchasing furniture, the correct entry should be furniture account debited, as it is a real account, so debit what comes in, to cash 12,000. This is the correct entry. Now students, remember these are workings, you need not show them in fair. The rectifying entry, whatever it is, we'll show in the journal. So now when we purchase furniture to cash is the journal entry. But what we have done is we have wrongly taken it as purchase. So we have passed an entry like purchases account debited to cash 12,000. Students, it is an error of principle. Furniture is an asset, so we have recorded a capital expenditure as a normal expenditure and have actually passed it through purchases account. Now in this case, when we analyze the wrong entry and the correct entry, we'll see that the cash has been dealt with correctly. The cash should have been credited and the cash has been credited. So there is no need to rectify cash account. But what about purchases account? Purchases account has wrongly been debited. So to cancel this effect, purchases should now be credited to purchases account, and furniture account, which should have been debited but was ignored, would now be debited. So entry would be furniture account debited to purchases account 12,000. The narration in this case would be being furniture purchased passed through purchases account now rectified. Since we had purchased furniture but it was recorded as purchases account, now it has been rectified. Coming to the second entry. The second entry is sale of rupees 5,000 to Mohan was recorded as rupees 500. So now students, in this case, it is not a wrong account that is involved here. The error is in the amount that has been recorded. That is, sale of 5,000 to Mohan was recorded as a sale of 500. So the correct entry should have been Mohan account debited to sales 5,000. But what we have done is Mohan debited to sales 500. In this case, the error is not in the accounts that have been debited or credited. The correct accounts have been debited and credited, but the amounts are wrong. That is, the Mohan's account should have been debited by 5,000, but in fact it was debited only with 500. That means 4,500 less debit has been passed through Mohan's account. So let us rectify and debit Mohan's account again, but with 4,500. That is the difference between the two amounts. Same thing for sales. Sales should have been credited for 5,000, but they have been credited only with 500 rupees. So there is a less credit. To rectify it, we'll again credit the sales account with the difference amount, that is 4,500. An entry would be being wrong amount of sales recorded now rectified, which makes it clear that we had actually taken a wrong amount and now we have rectified with the difference of the amounts.